Imagine what would have happened if you started going to gym today and you didn't quit for 1 year. Imagine in 1 year, how would you look? How would you feel? How strong would you be? But now imagine what will happen if you don't start going to gym and continue being like a lazy fuck. You will have less attraction from women, you will be unhealthy, you will be unhappy, and you won't be proud of yourself because you could have started going to gym and feel proud of yourself and feel good, but you chose to stay at home, do nothing. We feel happy when we are proud of our younger selves. So when you will not be proud of your younger self, yourself today, you will feel unhappy, of course. So it might be overwhelming for someone to start going to gym. That was the case for me too. I was working out at home for a couple years, like I was on and off on workouts. Then I completely stopped. I wasn't working out for about 3 months, but now I started going to gym because I moved in city. And I feel amazing about it. It's been really good. I gained weight, that was my goal, and the workouts are going really good. So today I'm gonna teach you how to start going to gym. It might be overwhelming for you, it might give you anxiety in the beginning because you've never been to gym, you don't know how those machines work, maybe you were afraid of other people, like oh they're gonna look at me and laugh at me. That's all bullshit, bro. Just remember, it's just in your head. It was in my head too, but as soon as I walked in gym and spent like half an hour there, it all was gone. Like, and my mind was clear out of that bullshit. Nobody cares about you. No one is like, oh look at this guy, haha, he's coming to gym. No, no one is like this. They are all doing their fucking work. And they can't give a shit about you. But if you will still be anxious about it, then there is quick fix to that. Well, not quick fix, but fix. For your first time, I want you to choose low-key gym. What do I mean by that? You might want to go in a big, like this really big fancy gym right now, right? But that's exactly why you have anxiety. Because you're going to this big gym where there will be a lot of people and maybe even a lot of rich people or attractive people or something. So by low-key gym, I mean gym that has less people in it and is less famous. That's what I did. So I wanted to go in a gym that's one of the biggest in my cities and one of the fanciest. But for first time, I chose to go in some not crappy gym, but not as good as this one, where there were less people. So it gave me less anxiety and it was easier for me to go in and check out machines and stuff like this. So right now, forget your fancy gym, find a normal gym that has less people and buy 1-day pass, okay? So go in there, maybe talk to receptionist, talk to other people, say hi, ask them about, oh, can you tell me how these machines work? They will tell you, they will be glad to tell you if they're not shitty persons. And this way you will learn how those machines work as well as fix your anxiety about gym. But you want to go in a good gym. Shut the fuck up, bro. If you want to go in a good gym and you could, then you wouldn't watch this video. So just shut your fucking mind down and trust me, okay? It will only take 1 day. You can go in this fancy gym anytime you want after this day. And with that, the really good thing is, even if you do dumb shit, like you need to do this on machine and you do it like fucking thing, then it's okay, because you will never end up there again. You will never go in this gym again. So even if you look like dumbass, it's okay, bro. You'll never see those people again. You'll never see these people in this gym again in your lifetime. So it won't really matter. And after that, the second day, I want you to get your balls and go to that gym where you wanted to go. You will feel less anxious, I guarantee, and you will feel better. And the extra tip is to go with friend. If you have a friend that's been working out consistently, that's even better, bro. Because he will show you everything in that gym, how machines work, where are the weights, stuff like this, and you will feel like a pro all of a sudden. But you need to balance going with friend with going alone, okay? Because you can get addicted to going in gym with friend. So when your friend can't come in gym, you will not want to go too, and you will miss gym. So you also need to be able to work out alone. Also, a couple notes to take: make gym your lifestyle, not a 1 month thing. Okay, you need to align your schedule to going to gym and fit going to gym every single day in your schedule. But I will overtrain. No, bro. In the beginning, it's impossible to overtrain if you're starting correctly, of course, because you're a beginner, right? So start with half an hour workouts. You think you can overtrain by half an hour workouts? No. You need to build habit. So it is better to go there every single day for half an hour to 1 hour than it is to go for 2 hours and don't go there for 1 week or something like this. Because by going there every single day, you build habit, okay? That's what habit is, doing something every single day. So it's easier to build habit like this than it is the other way. So go every single day for half an hour, build habit, and when you make progress and you have enough discipline to go there, then split, okay? Go to there 4 times a week or 3 times a week if you're really scared of overtraining. But I really suggest going there every single day in the beginning. This will be much easier. Alright, well, that's all, like everything you need to start going to gym. Okay, if you have any additional questions, comment down below. Also like this video, and that's it. Get your ass up and do what's important. See you in gym. Peace.